this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this partial M-fold card with the Snailed It bundle. So this is a partial M-fold card, so it creates a partial M, and you open it up like this, folds out like this, and here's the Snailed It bundle. Super cute. Has these fun images that you can cut out with the dies, as well as an envelope and this postage stamp and letter and mushrooms. It also has this cool snail mail designer series paper that I've used here. And then some of the dies cut out the snails and other images, like the word bubble cuts out some of the word bubbles on this piece of designer series paper right here. So here's a quick flip through of some of the designer series papers that are in the suite. There is also these resin hearts that are part of the suite. Super cute. So to start, I have, let me gather all of my pieces. A piece of 11 by 5.5 cardstock, and let me get my template. I have scored it at 1 1/4, 4, and 6 3/4, so pretty simple. So I'm going to fold on these score lines, use my foam folder. So I'm just going to go back and forth to create that fold right there. Okay, now I'm going to decorate my folds with some designer series paper. So I'm going to start off with 2 pieces. And these measure 1 1/8 by 5 3/8, and they're going to go on both sides of this piece right here. So I did it so that there's just a tiny edge. Okay. And then my next piece of designer series paper is 2 5/8 by 5 3/8. Just double checking that. These cute little mushrooms. And then I have a piece of basic white that I've stamped the mushrooms on. It's the same size as my designer series paper. So it is 2, what did I say? 2 5/8 by 5 3/8. And I've colored it with the Petal Pink, Bermuda Bay, and Cherry Cobbler blends. I use Cherry Cobbler because I think it's closer to a red than the Real Red blends. The Real Red blends are lighter and they look more pink to me than red. All right, now I'm going to add this last piece, and this is 4 and 1/8? No. 4 and, yes, 1/8 by 5 3/8. All right, and so now, fun part is when you fold this up, you have the opportunity to put something fun right here. So you could put like a flower or a butterfly or a dragonfly or a snail. So I'm going to put this big postage stamp here with some dimensionals just on the left side. And then the snail and the hello get dimensionals too. So the snail and the hello. And that's going to be the highlight of the card. So I'm going to kind of center this on here. And then add my snail right there in the corner. And then add my hello. And there is my Snailed It M-fold card. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other Snailed It videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.